Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Now what is next? What next? Now we have what access patterns, now access plans, access types. Now what are the access types? Gender, capses, childbirth, injury, in-laws and injury. So right here is write on first date, gender, capses, continue. Type attribute write as US_absences. Gender, capses conversion formula. Validation eligibility profile. You can write as US legislative data group status. Active duration rules are what duration rules are, what that means for gender, capses. Duration rules are what duration means like, what is the duration like. If you cross that duration, the system will show an error. Duration is 10 days. I suppose the system will show a warning. Okay, maximum duration is like 20 hours. You can say okay, partial day rule okay. And I am checking all these checkboxes. Allow assignment, selection and access, entry, attachment allowed. Types allowed. All if I want to attach all the files mandatory for employees, managers and administrators. So you want to allow all these things. Conversion formula if you want to go to plans and regions. Select and add. Now in access type, you can select the plans and you can select the regions. What are the plans and what are the regions? You have to select the plans. If you have created an absence plan, attach your absence plan. Search absence plans. Okay, priority 1. Okay, absence reasons is what? Birth of a child or COVID-19, whatever linkage you. Display features. Display features. That means what are the tabs you want to display to the you can access MMSS. That means what are the tabs you want to enable at the manager level and what are the times you have to level at the employee level, right? So reason attachments and comments you want to display. So make it as display only attachments. Qualified entitlements employees if you want to. See that these things are available to employees, managers and administrators. Okay, approvals and processing rules. You want to see like approval processing. So you want to enable this thing. Initial entry, deferred processing, approval, processing, all these things. You want to enable it at the ESS, employee service and manager self-service level. So you want to enable these things. So you have enabled that thing. Okay, now coming to schedule, planned absence and get access started. Entry required, submit absence and read display and edit. So this is the doctor's certificate I have created. Save and close. Okay. So this is the absence we have created. Now create another one. Type attributes US_absence plan. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Status active conversion formula. You can write a new profile. You can write earning type of childbirth event type. Event type minimum duration, alert warning, maximum minimum duration. Suppose 6 months. You can take maximum duration warning. The evaluation is structured. The domain schedule to calculate access durations. Okay, evaluate access for schedule changes. Evaluation extension period. "30 days extension period" means you can take a leave evaluation period absence and you can take 30 days per period and then you can move on. Okay. Absence enable locking complete for employee, locking for manager types, allow attachment tools on file side, and also all these things are there. Mandatory for employees, you can write the managers. Mandatory for administrators. So all these things you can write plans and regions. That means you have to attach your absence plans and absence regions right here. Absence plans. What are the absence plans that you have is like you cannot understand absences in one go. Click for your whichever absence plan. Click on your absence plans, priority 10. Absence regions. You can write the birth of a child. Default. So this is the absence plan. Manager services do not dismiss. If manager gives you comment, I don't want that comment to be seen by anybody. Suppose manager has given me a bad comment that she's not good at work or whatever. I don't want the other employees to see that thing. Okay, I don't want other employees to see that, so do not display. So you can make that thing so you can understand. No reason. Reason is what? Do not display, only reason. Do not display manager service. Reason, display only. That is the reason. That means I will display the reason. That means this is the reason that she's getting good performance. She has a good performance to display. Only that means I want to display that reason. Action items. Select and add right here as doctor certificate. Write done, save and close. So this is the way you want to create this. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.